Outperformance. Sameet Chavan of Angel Broking now joins in for a technical check on the market. Hi Sameet, thanks very much for joining in. We're still in that 83.50, 84.50 sort of a trading band now, but with expiry now looming, we also have an important trigger in terms of the RBI credit policy next week. How are you approaching the market, and what's the intraday strategy on the index that you're working with?
Good afternoon. Nifty is purely sideways, hence it would be very difficult to give intraday strategies, but for next few trading session, we are expecting immediate correction towards 8300, 8280. Since last 2 to 3 trading sessions, we have been maintaining our cautious stance on the market. 8450, 8520 we are seeing as a strong resistance. Hence, for next few trading sessions at least, we have a target of 8300, 8280, and we expect index to face a strong resistance around 8500, 8520.
Okay, so perhaps the Nifty could hit some resistance in about 100 odd points. You're recommending a buy on BPCL. In fact, all the oil marketing companies are doing quite well in trade. In particularly for BPCL, what would be the key levels that you're watching?
Yes, it has been outperforming since last 5 to 6 trading sessions. Last week we witnessed a breakout from downward sloping trend line around 780, 785 with an upward gap. So that clearly indicates that the stock is likely to move higher in next few trading sessions. Since last 3-4 trading session we witnessed a sideways move, but today we are seeing a good traction in the stock, and stock has broken its last week's high of 792, 795. So that clearly indicates that another 3 to 4% upside move is quite possible in BPCL. Hence, we have a target of 830 and we are maintaining a stop loss of 782.
Sameet, do you expect more weakness in the cement pack, and what about the frontline stocks over there?
Yes, specifically if we talk about ACC, it is clearly trading in downtrend on the weekly chart. Previous important support level of 1530, 1540 is now acting as a strong resistance. 1520, 1540 was Friday's high also. On Friday, we witnessed a narrow range body formation, which is a clear sign of uncertainty around the resistance zone. Going forward, looking at the stochastic momentum oscillator, we expect the stock to give some immediate correction towards 1450, 1440. We are maintaining our negative stance with a target of 1440, and the stop loss can be kept at 1543.
Would you recommend a short position on ITC at current levels? And if not, perhaps today, at what point would you recommend a short position? At what level on ITC?
See, ITC has been sideways since last many weeks now. We are seeing a range of 330 to 335 on the higher side, and lower side 315 to 312 has been acting as a strong support. 312 is a multiple support zone as well. Hence, the stock is trading at its important support. It's not advisable to going short at current level. Probably if the stock gives a breakdown from 312 on a closing basis, that would be a trigger point. In that case, stock can fall below 300 level also. So as of now, at current level, it's not advisable going short in ITC.
All right, Sameet, what about your disclosures?
Discuss stocks may have been recommended to our client, but I don't have any personal positions.
All right, thanks very much for joining in. So that's a word on the market technique.